like they say, the show must go on. And एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, फिर वो मैं खुद की भी नहीं करती।
क्या बात है?
No, I just want to say that I'm really happy. I'm just happy to get out of the house after 2.5 weeks. It was such a freak accident, and I'd already committed to the International Glory Awards, and I just want to congratulate all the winners and Sridhar and Amrita Verma for inviting me and still having faith that I will turn up. And they made all the arrangements. But मैं दूर से मैंने इस रैंप को देखा, मैं डर गई, मैंने कहा इससे मैं नहीं गिर जाऊँगा। So I'm going to be here, but thank you so much and congratulations to all the winners. And yeah, I'm just happy to be here. Thanks, Sid.
Can you hear?
You can hear my heart beating.
I always knew you had a crush on me, Shilpa. I always knew it. Thank you for accepting it in public. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for a lady I admire so much. Fitness, acting, judging, wonderful mother, wonderful daughter, wife, everything. The epitome of being Nari Shakti Wonder Woman, Shilpa Shetty! Okay, Shilpa, we've got a lot of bouquets, mementos, सब to be given to you. तो मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा Amrita को on stage to give you a memento and bouquet on our behalf. Can we have another Wonder Woman on stage? Amrita, please, to give this to Shilpa Shetty!
Also, while I'm here, I would really like to apologize to everyone sitting in front of me. To all the guests, my feet is facing you, but I really don't have a choice. It's a fractured knee, so I can't keep it straight and I can't keep it bent. So this is the only position I can keep it in. So please, I really apologize because this means no disrespect. Thank you. Thank you for bearing with me.
If I may just come in, ladies and gentlemen, she can't make her feet mobile as of now, but you saw the amount of dedication and determination. आज अगर कोई चोटी पर है, तो सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि उनको बहुत लक मिला है. It could have just taken, no, I'm not well. I had a bad accident, a freak accident, and I couldn't come. I will not be able to come. It is the choices that one makes, and those choices determine whether the particular person is going to be the person who's going to be inspiring all these achievers who subsequently inspire the generations to come. May I please request all of you to kindly stand up on your feet, please, everybody. Absolutely.
Standing ovation for Shilpa Shetty!
Shilpa, जोरदार ताली बजाना, give it up. हम लोग लाइफ में कितने सारे चुनौतियां होते हैं और बहुत समय हम लोग उसे नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं और बहुत समय झुक जाते हैं. But absolutely on behalf of the entire IGO team, you no
one's gonna make you do. अरे क्या? अरे बाबा! यार इसको कहते हैं unstoppable, mission impossible. Nothing can stop Indian women and women all over the world. Shilpa, ऐसे हाथ रखो, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
देखो, एक पैर पे तो मैं हमेशा योगा के साथ बैलेंस करती हूँ, तो इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है मुझे. But thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot and heartfelt.
Absolutely deserve every bit of it, ladies and gentlemen. I now request our creative director of International Glory Award.
Well, here goes from Amrita, We Connect Star Events and Entertainment, IGA 2022, to Shilpa Shetty. Well, you know, just like you, Shilpa, Amrita has also been doing.
Shilpa Shetty, and we need to absolutely, you want to picture with her? Right away, go ahead. Stand, sit, go around, but do it quick, come on. Tushar, you want to be here? Come on, very quickly. Just be a little careful. Let us know for all the good reasons.
Give it up for the dancing sensations! Thank you, Ramdeep, for doing the honors as well. Lots of love and respect to you as well. Thank you, Amrita. Go for it and rock and roll to the beat of the soul.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome all of you to International Glory.
Applause for Shilpa Shetty. I love अरे कौन था जिससे खड़े होके करिए सर, खड़े होके करिए सर. All right, शिल्पा, honestly, फटाफट पूछना चाहता हूँ, तुम्हारे इतने सारे हिट गाने हुए हैं, right? But which is your personal favorite song of your own?
I mean, every song has meant something in a different way. They've all been milestones in my life, so it's very hard to choose. But I think Chura Ke Dil Mera
Yes.
really woke people up. But then one song that was all about emotions. It's very hard, yeah, for me to choose. And then today's generation loves Shut Up and Bounce. It's another thing that I can't bounce right now. But, yeah, which one's your favorite? हमको तो वही पसंद आता है जो ऑडियंसेस को सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आता
We have always crushed on. I am an audience. I've played for all the cinemas
ये
I've
भी
watched.
है हमारे ऑडियंस हाँ तुम दिल की धड़कन बताओ इसमें एक गाना जिसपे मैं नाची नहीं हूँ हाँ
चुरा के दिल मेरा
चुरा के दिल मेरा
के दिल मेरा. Hands down.
चुरा के दिल मेरा once. Yeah.
मेरा भी वो फेवरेट था चुरा के दिल में. Every win or every film of yours is something which you're so proud कि कभी कभार आईने देखती है you pat yourself on the back and say शिल्पा well done. वो क्या है?
I don't know, yeah. Life is a journey,
दिनेश
and every day is like something that I feel that I've done right, and there are many times I've made mistakes, and I'm like, I think I should do this better the next time. So I don't know. कोई एक चीज तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती, but हाँ, I think the best or the most, I think the most amazing or the most overwhelming experience of my life is giving birth to my son.
Wow.
Yeah, that is, I think just think to become a mother is requires a lot of strength, and then it's an ongoing journey. अगर आपको लगता है बच्चा बाहर आता है और वो सबसे मुश्किल है, उसके बाद हर दिन उससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. But it's the most amazing, fulfilling journey.
Wow. And especially to all the mothers and fathers in the audience, a round of applause for you as well. The moment you said about your child, I could see Nakul almost becoming emotional thinking about his beautiful baby. And of course, my kids are here, and there are a lot of kids here as well. To all the children, Talia please, well done. All right. What's the
Things I've done in my life, but what's life without a bit of madness? I think the craziest has been this. Yeah. Coming out in a cast, my mother shouted at me. I was like, Mom, chill. Someone up there is looking after me. Yeah, but it's okay. It's cool.
Baba, you set a precedent. I know. हाँ, सारे वॉरियर्स अब आ जाएंगे स्टेज पर और बोलेंगे शिल्पा शेट्टी ने किया तो हम भी करेंगे. All right. If I gave you to choose 3 of your favorite actors who would love to be on screen with again and again and again and again, who would those 3 be? Don't say everyone is my favorite. I love them. I know you do. But कौन है वो 3?
Oh God. I didn't work with most actors. Oh God. 3 actors. I love Ranveer Singh. Yeah. I like Ranveer, and I also like Karthik.
Oh.
Yeah. And Tiger and many. All of them are so good, yeah. Oh, and the girls, okay. I really love Alia. Kiara is also very good. And अच्छा बस ना और
बहुत अच्छा है. And now, IGA 2022. Glorious people from different walks of life here. What do you have to say about that glory that these people have achieved?
who doesn't like to win? And I think it's glorious. glorious to win. I just think it's glorious to just compete. You know, whether you're a winner and even if you don't win, I just think just the sheer fact that you are able to compete and you have to compete with yourself. And that for me is a glorious achievement. You have to keep competing with yourself, becoming a better version of yourself, and that for me is an achievement. If you think that you have done better than yourself yesterday, that is an achievement. You don't have to be, you don't have to be awarded or given an accolade. You should set a benchmark for yourself, and for me, the gloriousness lies in being able to judge yourself.
All right, one line on Reconnect Star. हमारे जो
What about?
बोलिए, I mean, they put this together. You came despite being wounded for them.
The fact that I'm here is because of their dedication, and you know, I really believe that when a hero looks good or a winner looks good, it's the teamwork that makes the dream work, and they're the team behind this. I couldn't let the team down because there's so many dreams that are waiting to be accomplished or waiting to be fulfilled on the stage with this award, with this award function happening. So I had to live up to the dream makers. That actually is this powerful team, and I just want to say thank you to them. And I think what a splendid job they've done, and congratulations once again to all the winners.
Thank you, Shilpa Shetty, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's begin our roller coaster ride. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा, of course, our guest one, Dr. Sohini Shastri, doing the honors with Shilpa Shetty. Of course, there's also a book which you'd like to give her and an autograph on this book, Sohini ma'am, if you.
As with astrology, and I've seen the videos, I've seen her interviews, and मुझे आपका एक इंटरव्यू आता जहाँ पे आपकी मम्मी ने कहा था कि घर में हम लोग नाखून काट के भी नहीं फेंकते. That's from the archives. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this is
Memento, which is going to be given by a guest of honor to Shilpa Shetty as well. Can we have the memento? Oh! All right, ladies and gentlemen, like they say, it's time to kickstart IGA 2022. It's the fire burning people from all walks of life here, showing that they're trendsetters, game changers. I'll take that. Ma'am, here goes. I request you to be on center stage.
from one timeless beauty to the other. Could be more befitting than the one from the receiver and the giver of this award, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Amrita, for this. Thank you for this honor, and thank you, Soni ji. Thank you, my darling Shilpa. I would say that she is a super mom indeed. सबसे बड़ा award तो like she very rightly said, जब बच्चे होते हैं वो हमारा सबसे बड़ा award होता है. And I'd like to share that मेरा जो बेटा है अभिमन्यु,
Yes.
उनके साथ इन्होंने काम किया, and she was almost like a super mom to him too.
Wow.
So बहुत प्यार से इन्होंने रखा उसको, बहुत प्यार से समझाया. She being a veteran in the field and him being a newcomer, she really looked after him very well. And I must say thank you, of course. And of course, I would say it takes a lot of effort जब ऐसी हालत में आप घर से बाहर निकलते हो, बहुत आसान नहीं है, especially in our kind of line where we are supposed to be all dressed up, look pretty all the time, come to give awards to others. I think it's a great deal of effort that she's made, and thank you so much, Shilpa, for doing that. Thank you so much. Thank you again, once, Amrita. Can I have you on stage just to say thank you?
Absolutely.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one Bhagyashree, there's only one Shilpa Shetty, the awesome twosome on stage. Thank you, Bhagyashree. You know, we love you till eternity. Give it up for the love of our lives, Shilpa Shetty and Bhagyashree. मेरे को love of our lives हो आप लोग यार, दिल से. Promise, मोहब्बत जिंदाबाद. मैम आप वहाँ पे रहिए. Also, I love you, Neha.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your horses because the next one on stage is certainly.
तेरे को जरूर बुलवाऊंगा मेरे भाई. I'm so proud of you. You know, I'll tell you what, Shilpa, ये लड़का swag है, सब चीजें इसके अंदर, but deep down also इतना simple बंदा है ना. It's so beautiful यार.
एक छोटी सी स्टोरी मैम आपके साथ एक शो किया था, आपको याद होगा कि नहीं होगा, ये हमने लव में किया था हमने, उसमें मैं घोड़े पे था, आप शायरी सुनाई थी मैंने, याद आ रहा है आपको? तो आज आप इतनी जिस पोजीशन में आप हैं, आज जिस हालात में आप हैं, तो मैम के लिए भी एक चीज़, एक शायरी अर्ज कर देते हैं मैम आज. कहते कि दरिया अब तेरी खैर नहीं, लहरों ने बगावत कर ली है. कि दरिया अब तेरी खैर नहीं, लहरों ने बगावत कर ली है, और नादान न समझ बुज़दिल इनको, बूंदों ने बगावत कर ली है. हम परवाने हैं मौत समा मरने का, किसको खौफ यहाँ, रे तलवार तुझे झुकना होगा, गर्दन ने बगावत कर ली है. ऐसे अपना जज्बा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
इनफैक्ट इतना अच्छा शायरी था कि नकुल मेहता ने मुझे अभी बोला नेक्स्ट जन्म में मैं शिवम के साथ शादी करना चाहता हूं. You just loved it so much, Nakul. I know it. Love you, brother. I request you to hold hands with Nakul Mehta as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, his journey I've seen from college days, truly my family. TV, superstar, the best television actor, entertainment on Indian television, Nakul! Nakul, I love you, man.
I love you too, Sid, and I'm so glad that the foot is in a cast so that you won't get kicked for any of your bad jokes. Yeah. But thank you. I think I take this with a lot of pride. It's a decade now serving the Indian television industry for me. and to have this opportunity to go back to sets every day, to apply grease paint and get material and do your stuff is something which I dreamt of as a child, and now to continue to enjoy the love and respect of audiences, fraternity and colleagues and seniors like this gentleman here is something I truly enjoy. Also, thank you. I'm just so actually encouraged and inspired by your spirit. The show must never go on. Must always go on. Actually, must always go on. And especially I think I can take the liberty to say that since we come from television also now, because Shilpa now you do so much television that work never stops. You got to keep going. Actually said is that you actually apologize for putting your foot up, but I noticed that your feet are still pointed, right? So yeah, that's a professional, right? Like dancing feet always. So thank you so much, man. Thank you for this, and thank you, Sid, man. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Many congratulations, Nakul. More to come.
I want to give you one Gili Puppy also. Love you, mere bhai, Nakul Mehta.
The next one, the very big one, someone.
ये फैशन आइकॉन तो है ही, पर दो तीन लाइनें गा दोगी तो वो भी अच्छा लगेगा. But I wanted to say something because I admire the fact that you've been fearless all your life, and I respect you and love you for it.
First of all, I really, because I broke my foot a year back, and I decided to walk into Bigg Boss with a cast, but she's gone even braver because I think her knee is gone, right? I can feel the pain. Fearless.
Neha, I'm so sorry to be insensitive.
I just want to say,
Please, so since it is by the जनता, huge admirer, हम लोग अगर दो ऑप्शन दे सके, मधानिया, और the one that what made Neha Bhasin and the other girls absolute.
Madhania.
Madhania, go ahead.
Actually, guys, if you बोलना वैसे भी I say very scandalous things and get myself in trouble.
अरे we love you for your fearlessness. जय बात.
मधानिया हाय ओए मेरे डाडिया रपा किना जमिया किना ने ले जानिया हाय ओए मेरे डाडिया रपा किना जमिया किना ने ले जानिया मधानिया
Very soulful. इनकी आवाज सुनने के बाद
I love you,
absolutely
Neha.
sure of that. Nobody would want to hear us. Let's so that please, absolutely. She's talking about Bigg Boss and her entry with the cast. Well, if you're with the glamour part, absolutely was increased. Thank you so much, Neha. Really love to have more of you in a little while. The next one, ladies and gentlemen. Well, the one who's been give it up.